Wow! You like balloon and donut? It's free! Yay! Number. Wow! What are we getting?
Balloon.
Donut and balloon. Free donut. Yay! Dito kami sa line ng Dunkin Donut. May free sila. 1 donut per person. Starts ng 2 PM. So, nasaktuhan. Nandito kami sa Walter Mart. Kapromo sila. Ang aming baby. Hi! Wow! May chocolate po. Wala na. Wow! Yay! She likes balloon daw, ate. Nakatingin siya sa balloon. What color do you want? Red. Oh, you say thank you to ate. Thank you! Oh, pink. Wala namang ibang choice na. Yay! Thank you. You say thank you, Dunkin. Zoe, thank you, Dunkin Donut. Yay! Okay. Second branch. Nakailan na kaming Dunkin.